कुछ होने और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी, और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी, ये एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा, ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to all the dear friends and potential business buyers. We, the Franchise India team, welcome all of you to our Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. This is a specially designed and planned webinar for all our investors so that they digitally interact with the brand and the leadership team of the brand business opportunity which we have got for you. It is our everyday aim to provide maximum business solutions, franchise options with all of you so that you take a conscious and right decision of selecting the perfect franchise for yourself. This is a 45-minute session which is divided into 2 parts. First, we'll take you through the correct and the complete understanding about the business proposal. Then we'll move towards a panel discussion. We request all of you to please use your question and answer box to share your queries and suggestion it. We'll try to take your queries during our panel discussion. We welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am for this particular webinar. Both would be sharing their insights as well as inputs with us. The business opportunity which we have got for you is iCode. And today we have invited Mr. Anshul Bansal and Rahil to talk about this brand. It's fast growing coding education brand. So thank you so much, Anshul, for joining in today, Rahil for joining in today. May I request you to please start with the formal presentation? Rahil, I think Anshul has lost his connection. Can I request you to at least start by the time he joins? Yeah, Anshul, you are back. I think you lost your connection. So may I request Anshul to start with the formal presentation?
So hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome to yet another session of Business Opportunity Over Chai. Today we are representing an international tech brand, from US. This is a brand called iCode, which is computer coding and coaching classes for kids. The good thing is, being an international brand, they already have 35 centers in US. Plus, we have also got our first center in Mumbai, right, which is up and running now. already completed first 1 month in operations, and company has also started to enroll kids for its programs already. So on that note, I will start with this small presentation, which takes us through the complete understanding on the brand, on the programs, and the overall opportunity that as an operator you would have. So here is iCode, empowering future innovators. The focus of this brand is absolutely on training our kids, and enabling them for future requirements. Today, if you see education in schools, even in colleges, there is focus on tech, but not many schools are offering, that sort of service. India today, of course, has 15 lakhs K-12s, which host about 250 million or 25 crore students. But access to technology training, access to computer coaching within the K-12 step is very minuscule. Also see friends know that in future, the job requirements are going to be led by technology, right? Are going to be led by computer, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and many other similar jargons, right? Which is not there today. Students are not getting access to such training, and that's where iCode becomes very interesting as an opportunity for us to for you to set up these centers in India. I will talk about it in the slides in detail. But friends, let me tell you, this is an omni-channel opportunity. Please don't look at it just from setting up a center point of view. So we're talking omni-channel opportunity here. One, you're setting up the center. Second, you also get access to reaching out to K-12 schools and running the program within the schools. Third, there is a strong online curriculum also. So there is an opportunity to sell online enrollments, and then we also have very strong summer vacation summer camps, right? So it's a round the year multi-channel opportunity here. As I said, there is already first center done in Mumbai, which is done very well in terms of the investments, and now already started to enroll, reaching out to schools, and already starting to leverage on the multi-channel presence that brand offers, right? So on that note, let's start and understand what is there in store with iCode. Pictures that you can see kids under the age of 10 are working with computers, working with robotics, and many other exciting we first look at what is the industry and what is the opportunity in this category. So as I was saying, and this is the same in US as in India, majority of schools, K-12 today, don't teach computer science, or even if there is, science, computer science labs, teachers available, they're not, adequately trained themselves, or, so they're able to train the students in that sense, right? The focus in K-12 today is just to give the basic understanding of how computer works, basic languages, and so on and so forth, right? Help to an extent, but not so much in creating the right sort of aptitude for a computer-based programs. So you may ask this question, why teach kids how to code? Of course, they will eventually get into colleges, pick up computer program, do engineering or some IT program to understand what coding is. But what is the need to teach kids as young as 7-8 years to do coding? So this coding helps in computational thinking. It helps in problem solving skills. You understand how things work, and anticipate and avoid problems. So this sort of helps in developing an analytical mind, which starts to then think like a computer. So you already starting to think 2 steps, 3 steps ahead of the situation, and analyze what's possible, what's not possible, and then accordingly take the right decisions, right? It also helps in, as it's written here, structural thinking, algorithmic thinking, perseverance, encourages kids to think outside the box. So really, this sort of program, iCode, it not only teaches kids to code, it is actually helping them develop their thinking process, analytical decision making, and really helpful in terms of developing in a young personality. All right. So these are some numbers from US, where a number of students taking advanced placement computer science exams. This we can move forward. The challenge that we see today, a large percentage of jobs which we see, should be there in 2030 over next 10 years have not been invented yet. So how to prepare for them? And some of these jobs, we can't even understand what they all mean. So if you look at robo Sherpas, data junkies, drone command crews, AI enhanced freelancers, and so on and so forth, right? So how do you train kids to be ready for such jobs? And that's where programs like iCode, helps them develop, their thinking process in the sense to be ready for such opportunities. Of course, when they get into colleges, do specialist courses, they can develop this. But the young only, the brain has to be trained in the right manner to be able to pick up opportunities like this in future. And that's where iCode is very interesting, very exciting for kids today. That needs to be done. So this is another survey that company had picked up from World Economic Forum. These are top 10 skills, as per the world's job report in the current year. And this is complex problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, people management, teamwork, emotional intelligence, judgment and decision making, service orientation, negotiation, and cognitive flexibility. These are the top 10 skills that companies are now looking for in their candidates, right? And these are all skills that iCode program helps develop with the kids. Some of the challenges that we see with the K-12 curriculum, especially in India, the curriculum and teaching method has not been changed for decades. We still follow the same set of books, the same set of curriculum and the teaching methods, which was done by us also maybe 15, 20 years back. And we really see that current kids, they're not interested in that sort of teaching structure, right? And that's where this is also important, right? So that sets the opportunity for a program like iCode. we definitely see a gap in the K-12 setup today. And we also see an opportunity in future, which is, basis computer skills, critical thinking, and so on and so forth, which is where we see a great opportunity for a program like iCode, right? So that brings us to our second section of the presentation, which is talking about what is the program now and how it is structured, right? So friends, this program, as I said, this is around the year, program multi-channel opportunity. We'll talk about both the scenarios. This is what we have. There's 5 programs within the program. There is belts, which can be done on-site, which is at the center. It can be done virtual, that's online, within the schools. Then we have Path, and we'll talk about each of these programs in the next few slides. What are each of these programs and how they're structured? Path is a topic-based curriculum available offline and online and at the center. Then we have summer camps, which is STEAM education-based programs and available across the channels. iView is an introductory computer science concept, which currently we are running within the K-12s only, not offering this service from the center. And then Anytime, which is a self-paced curriculum, which means student can take her or his own time to understand the program, and it's a self-paced program, right? Offered online and at the center itself. So first, we talk about the belts. So belts is a 9-step process, is a 9-step program, and this covers a complete 60 months program over these 9 belts. And as you can see, the beauty of this program is, depending on the aptitude of the student, he can start anywhere on this structure, right? So for example, a 9 to 11-year-old, he need not start at yellow, right? If he has the right aptitude, right skill set already, he can actually start in orange belt as well. Or it may also be the case that a yellow belt candidate may have to start with the white belt, going a step back. So programs are not sequential, but these can be done. Person can start anywhere on these 9 belts. Then we come to paths. So these are absolutely state-of-the-art programs. For example, if I look at Roblo, this is, a student will learn Roblo art and design, world building, monetization, and much more. Similarly, YouTube production, there is digital art, Python, Java development, and advanced game development, right? Coming to our summer camps, again you would see summer camps, as you can see, again, absolutely latest curriculum and latest programs. As you can see here, digital artwork is there. Then we have AI and machine learning using Python. There is drone navigation, advanced robotics, and very interesting curriculum that company has put together for summer camps also. So friends, let me tell you, summer camps is a 40 hours per week sort of a program, and in 1 week the person goes through a complete program. Summer camps can be done online also. Each camp is 19 hours per week, 4 hours daily, consisting of 3 hours online instruction and 1 hour offline challenge, which means the student goes through the training online and then spends 1 hour in practice. Right? And again, some of the latest programs also available here: AI in machine learning, game development, advanced programs, app development, Roblo editor, cybersecurity, and many others. Coming to our fourth program, Anytime. So Anytime program provides a flexible student-based approach to educational experience. All our programs in Anytime are self-paced. Student can pick up any of these programs and take his own time to understand the program, the curriculum, and then go on practicing them at the center. Of course, it is guided by the instructor also, but this is self-paced. Unlike other programs which are time-bound, this is the timing is controlled by the student as per his or her aptitude and ability to understand the program. Right. And even if you look at any classroom today within the K-12s also, there are students who want to learn, but they're not as quick as some of the other students in the class, right? So Anytime is absolutely created for such students who are a little slow, but very keen to learn, very excited to learn also. And that's where Anytime program becomes very interesting for such candidates. In US particularly, we see huge demand for this service. Coming to the last program, this is iView. And as you can see, provide a one interactive after school computer science program. So this is after school, and students can stay back at the school itself, where our trainers are there to engage them with some computer science programs. And as you can see in the image also, the student with the tab is trying to work around with the robotic based vehicle in the design. This is our game-based curriculum, and as you can see the center images, this is the live center from US, and as you should be able to see the center images also. We have a few more images later in the presentation, which will give you a very good understanding in terms of what is the infrastructure we're talking about here. Field operations and training. Okay. So this is how the complete program is designed. So first month we help you putting up the online presence. Create your emails and everything. Then first 1 month, we then work with you on site selection and lease agreement, site surveys, signages, then construction starts and everything. So that's a complete process over 6 months. The center is up and running. That's a layout plan that we have done. This is taken from US, and of course, this can be customized as per the property available. As you can see in this image, we have created 4 hubs. So a hub essentially is a classroom setup where 12 to 15 students can sit, and the trainer is there to take them through what we call as a theory session, right? And then post the theory session is done, the collaboration room is where the practice is done actually. Or the hubs can also be used after the theory session is done. The hubs then convert to become the practice room. That's the marketing support. So complete marketing support would bring in terms of setting up your website, social media programs, media library, online portals, SEO initiatives, social media campaigns, email campaigns. So a complete set of documents around marketing, what company has been using in US and has been very successful, would be shared with you. Of course, customized as per your requirements, and enabling you to reach out to schools, enabling you to also enroll students at the center. Um, Strong marketing support for online programs, summer camps. So all that is provided by the company. The company has also put up, a very strong future plans also in place, because we understand that market is very dynamic and continues to evolve. Particularly if you see last 18 months or so, education has evolved completely, and that's where company has also put in a lot of efforts to understand the changing dynamics of education, and has evolved with the times to set up some very exciting future plans, right? So we'll be talking about this now. In terms of the future plans, so we're also looking at bringing in adult courses around artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, cybersecurity, and then some youth programs also. So the beauty of this is, because most of the programs we discussed earlier are after school programs, right? So your center ideally is available in the morning first half session to be able to run these programs, right? So that's where this set of programs, it helps you capture a maximum day coverage for the center, right? So these programs can be done in the morning, maybe from 9:30 to 1:30, and then after lunch, the school students can come in and run the other programs that we discussed earlier. So this ensures 100% center coverage, center utilization during the day. I could differentiate it, and these are the pictures from our centers in US. You can see, kids maybe as young as 4 or 5 years age also in that group, though most of them looks like 7, 8, 9 years, 10 years age bracket. But you can see a few kids also in 4, 5, 6 age group also, right? Multiple revenue streams, as I said, this is a multi-channel opportunity, and with future plans also in place, it ensures a full day coverage, fully equipped high-tech facility. All our IT equipment is sourced from Apple only, because these are, any other brand would not be able to support the sort of IT equipment company needs. Our center in Mumbai has also done 100% Apple installations and is very happy with the work, the output, particularly the Apple products are able to offer, right? Proprietary curriculum. So we're not sourced our curriculum from anywhere. It is designed in-house. Company has a very strong R&D team in-house, which continuously work on the curriculum to evolve with the time, create new set of programs also. Emphasis on soft skills, as we discussed in the early part of the presentation. The focus is absolutely on cognitive skill development for the students, and all the programs are designed to focus on that aspect. Over 20 summer and holiday camps, offsite programs.
This is Deepak calling from Francis India on behalf of Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. Thank you so much. Spoken in very Francis.
Okay, so friends, that brings us to, so this picture, yes, very important. This picture shows you a typical setup of the hub. And as you can see, there is the instructor, and we can see the LED screen behind him. The students are there. Each of them is sitting with a tab and some robotic equipment. And the trainer is there to take them through the theory session. As you can see in this image also, the high-end Apple desktops behind the students. So that's how the hub design looks like. So we would do a similar 4 hubs in the center, which typically offers a capacity to accommodate 50 students at one time, and depending on the programs, revenue generation can be done. So we've not covered the financial part. Let me tell you from our experience from the Mumbai center, the investment. So we're looking at 2,500 square feet property, which could be a bungalow like we've done in Mumbai. A bungalow is converted into a center. This could also be a commercial property, which is conducive for such setups. Safety of the kids is also very important aspect. So please look at properties where kids can come in and feel safe. This is 2,500 square feet. Ideally should have 4 rooms which can be converted into hubs, and we need a small entrance lobby, couple of rooms for trainers, 1 cabin for the center head, and that sort of a property, right? Overall investment that Mumbai has done is close to 90 lakh rupees, including the franchise fee of 15 lakhs. So that's 75 plus the franchise fee component. Right. In terms of the revenues and ROIs, we can share with you the current fee structure that Mumbai is executing. And as per the plans, the ROIs should be able to achieve within 18 to 21 months overall program. Friends, let me reiterate, this is an omni-channel opportunity. You are not only doing the center, which with the future plans also gives you access to training programs during the day session, then after school program with the computer curriculum. We do strong summer camps, both online and offline. There's also programs that we can do, we can integrate within the K-12 itself, and then strong gaming sessions also. So round the year opportunity, enrollments can be done any time of the year, and also a full day utilization of the center as well. Sure, ma'am. So that should be all.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much, Anshul. And friends, I'll request if you have any questions, we have the team of Rand Global with us on the webinar. They'll be there to answer all your questions. And we also have Rahil Vijay, who is leading the account of iCode. And before I, answer, I'll also, create maybe a summary. The brand is a company called iCode, and this is coding today is basic literacy, and if you're living in the digital age, and it is important for all children to understand and be able to work with the understanding of technology around them. And having children learn coding at a young age actually prepares them for the future. And future generation today is learning and skilling themselves how to code and prepare themselves for the 21st century workforce. And there have been also some of the recent surveys done by companies like PwC, where India would need to create at least 10 crore, about 100 million odd jobs in growing India by the end of 2027, which is about 6 years from now. And this era and the kind of skills which are required, would need a lot of IT innovation advancements and skills like coding for their job employment. And I will also, take a question which I saw from one of our investors, which is that so I didn't understand the question completely. And if you're looking at becoming a proprietor, you can become a proprietor and take a franchisee. And typical documents, these are very basic documents that you need to become a proprietor. Typically your, PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank account, registration office that you need to have. And you need to register yourself, under Shop Establishment Act, GST registration. So these are simple things that you need to do, and you may consult maybe a local CA who can help you with all this. And very quickly, friends, I have a video with me, which I wanted to show you. This is how the center looks like. And since we've already launched, this was the beginning of the year that we launched, the middle of, rather, a couple of months back that we launched the Bombay outlet. So the first center of ICOD, which was launched last year, is already operating out of Bombay. And this is a 3D video of what a typical center looks like. So this will help in understanding how the space utilization of ICOD happens. And obviously, based on the area, the size, this would also be designed further. But this is typically, how many rooms, the infrastructure that you need, the equipment that you need, and how the allocation of space is done. You'll get a brief glimpse through this video.
So friends, as you can see in this virtual tour also, all the equipment is Apple products. And that's what company wants to also, put focus on, bringing in high-end digital equipment from Apple only, which gives us a very good output for students to learn.
We would be able to share all information on the ROI and also on the business. Friends, should you be interested to seek more details, and just a few, understanding, on basically the business model. And if you can explain, we've talked about, and we have some example because we're running one center in Bombay. Typical, fee that we are charging. What is the average ticket size? What is the average batch size that one center needs to look at? What is the age group today? These centers we are catering through. And typical, if we talk about annually, how many number of students one center ideally should be able to reach out. If I talk about maybe, the efficiency, 100%, 80% efficiency structure for a outlet like this.
Sure, ma'am. I'll just share my screen and pull this business plan Excel. In fact, friends, we're also running today at 7 p.m. A discovery day for the same brand iCode, where our teams from US directly, the team company's representatives would be joining us. So I would like to invite you all to join us again at 7 p.m. for this brand, while we're presenting the numbers also. I hope you can see my screen. So this is a typical enrollment. So as we discussed, there are 5 programs that we've included to begin with. Belts, then paths, anytime, camps, and offsite. Offsite means at the K-12 schools, not at the center, but integrated within the K-12 segment. What we're looking at is this is the typical enrollments per month in the program, and these are the number of months this program would be available, right? So starting at about 60% of center utilization, capacity utilization, we're looking at 1,200 enrollment total for year 1. And as you can see, the fee structure, belts at 5,000 rupee monthly, then paths at 4,000, anytime 3,000, camps weekly, this is 1,250, so that converts to 5,000 rupee monthly. So this at 1,260 enrollments in the year converts to a 2 crore revenue in year 1, right? And then of course growing at 10-12% year on year gets to 3.5 crores by year 5. Some of the expenses towards staff, towards building. Okay. Then coming to the royalties, which is 10%, and 5% is the central marketing fee that goes to the brand. while the rest of the other expenses are towards when by the franchisee directly paid to the vendors. Right. So at 87 lakh rupees investment, and we'll talk about the investment details also separately. We're looking at 22-23 months break even. These numbers are projected basis of center in Mumbai. We're looking at 37 lakh rupee first year profit, which becomes 60 lakhs in year 2, 75 lakhs in year 3. So I mean, as the enrollment goes up, the revenue goes up, the expenses won't increase in the same ratio. So you see a significant jump in year 2 in the profits. Overall, as I said, this would be under 2 years break even for our franchisee partners. There's an opportunity for direct single units also. We've already done one center in Mumbai, and similarly, other direct single units can be done. There's also opportunity available to do a master franchise contract as well, area master franchises. Coming to the investment details, so 15 lakh rupees is the franchise fee. For 2,500 square feet property, we have taken, in fact, this is what our Mumbai partner has incurred, about 18 lakh rupees in terms of center development, 37 lakh rupee on the IT equipment, which is the biggest sort of investment in this business. And as you saw in the pictures also, all products are Apple products, and that's why there is a significant IT investment. Apart from that, small investments towards installation, furniture, classroom supplies, student supplies, branding and signage, and other miscellaneous expenses. So overall, 87 lakhs is the investment in the project. These are actual numbers from our Mumbai center. Shraman.
Thank you, Anshul. And friends, we've tried to convert, and these are not just projections. This is something that has been invested by their partner in Bombay. And I will request all of you, if you're looking at getting more information, we also have the international team of company ICOD, which is coming today in the evening. And if I can request, if we have a link of joining on that particular link for our investors, we can share that. Else, I'll also request all of you reach out to Rahil Vijay, who's heading the project, and he will be able to share complete information and also invite you for your session in the evening. At the same time, I will also put the hotline number. Should you look for any other details, you can reach out on the hotline number also of Franchise India. So friends, with this, I'll request if is there a date, Anshul, that you want to hold any discovery day apart from today?
Today evening 7 p.m. We have the discovery day. It's today itself.
Friends, today we are holding a discovery day. The company representative, the international representatives are coming. You can block your time on the numbers that you see in the chat box. Take a look at that. Even after the webinar, whosoever have asked question are willing to block your time, our teams will reach out to you and organize that for you. And in the meantime, we'll also help you with the entire financial presentation so that you're ready with the questions and have a productive call today in the evening. And I now request Ashna kindly take over for your closing remarks.
Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am. Thank you so much, Anshul, for coming on a call and talking about this opportunity. Thank you so much, all the dear friends, for registration. Do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which we have shared in chat box also. Our hotline number is 9717683838. Also connect with us at different social handles. You can also connect Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their LinkedIn ID to get more business opportunities options and franchise inputs. And today, under our Bharat Franchise Show, this is a show which we start every day at 7 p.m. We are inviting you to join us for our Kolkata chapter. We have invited the leadership team, founders of 7 different companies pertaining to F&B, education, retail, as well as your real education sector. So please join us today 7 p.m. by doing registration. Registration can be done with us by joining us at our business hotline number or go to Facebook page where we have shared the registration link. And tomorrow under our business opportunity with Chai, we are bringing a ice cream dessert brand for you. It's the first live making popsicle concept ever introduced in India. So team would come and talk about this opportunity. You can start this particular business with an investment of just 12 lakh rupees. It can be in the form of the kiosk or a standard parlor. So don't miss this chance. Join us tomorrow, 12 p.m. for this particular webinar. Thank you once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day. Thank you so much.